bites, a happy sound. B is for banana, long and sweet, a yellow snack that's fun to eat. C is for cherry, tiny and red, pop one in and nod your head. D is for date, so chewy and brown, a desert fruit in a silky gown. Is for elderberry, purple and small, juicy drops that gently fall. F is for fig with seeds inside, a wrinkly treat that's soft and wide. G is for grape, green or blue, in a bunch or just a few. H is for honeydew, melon delight, cool and fresh in morning light. I is for Indian fig with cactus flare, spiky skin but sweet to share. J is for jackfruit, bumpy and big, tastes like candy when you dig. K is for kiwi, fuzzy and fun, green inside like morning sun. L is for lemon, so sour and bright, makes the face crinkle with delight. L is for mango, golden and soft, juice drips down as you bite aloft. N is for nectarine, smooth and round, peachy goodness to be found. O is for orange, juicy and neat, peel it open for a citrus treat. P is for pineapple, spiky and tall, tropical sweetness best of all. Q is for quince, a little tart, cook it well to warm your heart. R is for raspberry, ruby and light, soft as clouds in morning bright. S is for strawberry with seeds outside, red and juicy, full of pride. T is for tangerine, tiny and bright, easy to peel and full of bite. U is for ugly fruit, funny and dang, sweet and sour just the same. V is for vanilla bean, long and thin, used in ice cream, cakes and kin. W is for watermelon, huge and green, pink inside, a picnic queen. X is for Sichuan, its Chinese name, a type of watermelon, just the same. Y is for yellow passion fruit, tart and cool, golden and bright like a summer pool. Z is for zucchini, a tricky surprise, it's a fruit in